Few questions to the Election Commission of Karnataka. Isn't it true that you had put it on your website that my voter ID is permanently shifted? That means deleted. This fight is about the dignity of a citizen.
Actor Prakash Raj has challenged the Election Commission's explanation over his voter registration, saying his name was initially marked as permanently shifted during the special intensive revision of Karnataka's electoral rules. In a video posted on Instagram on August 13th, Raj alleged that the ECI, sections of the media, and BJP supporters were falsely claiming that he had misunderstood the status of his name. Raj said ECI officials contacted him after his earlier social media post. He said officials acknowledged that there had been a mistake. He further claimed that his status was changed from permanently shifted to shifted after he raised the issue publicly. Raj alleged that such intervention was possible because he is a public figure and questioned whether ordinary voters would receive the same response. Meanwhile, the Bengaluru Central City Corporation has maintained that Raj's name remains actively registered in the electoral rolls. The dispute comes amid the ongoing special intensive revision, with questions being raised over voters marked as shifted and other categories during the verification process.
Friends, Satyu, few questions to the Election Commission of Karnataka. Isn't it true that you had put it on your website that my voter ID is permanently shifted? That means deleted. That I have to fill Form 6 and apply for a new voter ID. And once I raised the issues and when it reached millions, within hours, isn't it true that you officials called me and said there has been a mistake, we will correct it? And you also requested me to put it on social media, you are correcting it. I have all the call records. And by evening, you call a press meet. You change from permanently shifted to shifted on your website and tell the press that, it's actually shifted. We did a merger and deletion is a lie. You are telling a lie. You have told a lie. And by 8:30, you will send your BLO to the old address in front of the door with a camera, call the neighbors and create that natak and drama that, you have done the mahajar after the issue is out of hands. And then send it to your Godi medias and your BJP handles and they are jumping around that Prakash Raj is wrong. Hello, I am a celebrity. Will you call a common man like this? I am a celebrity because of my work. But as a citizen, I am equal to every citizen. This fight is about the dignity of a citizen, of standing in queues, asking us to stand in queues. More videos, more clarifications, and a big press meet to come. Game on. And you, my friend, once in 5 years, you come to beg for votes because you know citizens have the right to vote. And now, you want the same citizens to stand in queue and beg for their vote to be reinstated? क्या नाटक है? क्या पॉलिटिक्स है? क्या एजेंडा है? Just asking.